Where's your watch? Oh, look, lizard. See the lizard? Up there. What's that? Come with me. Here, slippers here. Ah, okay. I will borrow this. Come. Let's ask Lolo Dami how to use the ano. Come on. Here, push it. Turn the lights on. Oh, it's on. There. Yee! That's bomba. Water pump. Hello, ikaw. Magni-ana, di ate. Ako di ba musiga?
Di musiga kayo.
As Lolo Danin helping us. Tina, this is our kitchen.
Oh yeah, it is like
You like it? That's the water pump.
that's the water pump that the firemen pump.
Lolo Danin.
Wow, that's a candle.
Yeah.
Put candles on the cake.
Not on the cake. Okay, thank you, Pa. Where are you going? Isa rin, kinaldo ka. Recycle mo.
Yeah. Chicken and pig and Arab. Okay.
Do you like it here, Kinan?
Yep.
I don't know.
Again, tell Lolo.
You know how to catch fish, but I don't know how to.
Can you help him learn how to catch turkey?
Turkey?
Turkey.
Turkey?
Yeah.
You have no turkey here.
At Lolo F Friends, we'll see. But I don't think they have turkey, but chicken. You wanna catch chicken?
Yeah, I don't know. Plenty of turkey and chicken there in Salvation. Over there, you can enjoy watching and catching chicken. No, not chicken over here. But over there you have chicken, but it's not outside.
So I can have.
Wait a minute first.
Good job. How about Rangvi? What was that, Rang?
A chicken. Or a rooster.
No, Panawa. So, friend over look. I will show you how to. I will show you how to pull this one.
That's my foot.
Yeah. Push this. Push the inner side of this umbrella.
Okay.
Then pull. Then.
Then you have to arrange it to make it neat like that. Thank you, Lola, for teaching Kinan.
That's all for today. Then fold. Then tie.
And then.
Perfect.
Voila! Ba 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 ba.
Alright, that's already done.
Thank you.
Okay, this is your...
The biscuit too.
Dagan yung rin kaya. Sobra na din rin niya. Ang mga on. Ito na puti. Anak dia sa...
Mualit dito na. Bitin yung sunod sa... Tukan. Maragi. Pagkatan niyo. Anak na po. Friendly man na iring mo. Doon mo na rin mo.
I know, you guys. You like Tita Ada. Tita Ada.
I like to feed cats because I'm excited to feed cats. You're so sweet.
It's scared, Rang. Just leave the food on the floor. Di mo ni sila mga unanin na.
Dili.
I'm gonna make
Na
it
ang
clear.
maring dili ulit produktos. Meow is hiding.
Are you gonna share your milk to the
Meow
cat?
is up there inside the kitchen.
Where? In there?
Yes, over there. It's hiding.
Okay, so we need to get this. Come on, Brad.
Don't run. So you see the meow under the table?
Okay, ralagi na.
Okay.
What are you doing there?
May isang
What
kanan.
do we need to go for the cat?
So you're waiting for the cat?
Tago na ang cat.
It's gonna be our own pet and the food's in here.
Where's the cat now?
Ay, nanawag milk.
Ilang
Vera, your milk is drink.
The cat fell to a chef to drink your milk as soon as your biscuit.
Share sa cat lagi.
It's now hiding over
Dali,
there
yung
at the back of
bataan
the... Yeah, the cat is now looking for his partner.
Gipangitan
over
ako
there.
kung mga kimpit. Ginabanganan ako na yung buhok.
There are two cat over there. That cat is a protect. Oh, look at that. That is a cat. Oh, don't go. Cat is...
Wait for the cat to come.
Cat is doing...
I'll train him.
You wanna train the cat?
Yeah.
How?
Bukon.
This cat, oh okay, don't move.
Nabagom siguro na ng
Ano
anak.
naman na nagkabiscuit na sa lupa.
Biscuit o gatas.
Don't look too close because he might
Walang iring dito di ay.
scratch you there.
No daw, no. Please.
Feel ko mo to. Uy!
Apil magkag-bless mo gagaw dong.
I can get down in there.
Sa mga tiguwang ra. Na straight yan tolog te.
Please atong kape.
Isawan.
Nami ilang kape.
No.
Nabaguhan ba?
In fairness, gid bitaw sa ila, the kids, the
Eh,
two,
laim yung klima din yung dito.
at least bugnaw kay ulan.
Yeah.
Imagine kung summer as ka init.
But yeah.
You have Jaden.
Mama. It's
Pagsasakripisyo talaga sa abroad nako mahirap.
Ay mahilis raman dai siya.
Smile.
Smile, Lolo.
Hey, everybody's smiling now. Done?
Not yet.
Thank you.
Smile. Everybody.
Smile everybody.
Smile, Jaden. Smile.
May grinder ba dito?
Smile.
Saan sa?
Are you okay?
He wants to put the
Say hello.
Lolo. You like this that hidden? You can do hi to Lolo.
Smile.
Okay, si Papa magkat-kat-kat.
dito sinsilyo.